What if I told you one fashion brand moves faster than most cargo companies? While others take months, Zara turns sketches into store-ready clothes in just 14 days. How did they build a supply chain so fast it made traditional logistics look slow? In this video, we'll unpack the secret network behind Zara's speed, from hyperlocal factories to air-freighted deliveries, and reveal how logistics became its ultimate strategy. Let me show you why speed became Zara's biggest competitive weapon and how it flipped the fashion rulebook. Traditional fashion works in long cycles. Brands design 6 months in advance, produce overseas, and gamble on what shoppers might want. Zara rejects that model. Its entire business is built to respond quickly to what's actually happening in its stores. Designers aren't guessing trends. They're reacting to data, real-time updates from store managers around the world who report what's flying off racks and what's sitting untouched. That feedback goes directly to the design team, which can make rapid adjustments. A new design can be sketched, sampled, produced, and shipped in just 2 weeks. That speed keeps Zara ahead of trends instead of chasing them. Up next, why Zara said no to cheap production and yes to control. To enable that speed, Zara produces much of its clothing close to home, in Spain, Portugal, and Morocco. It's more expensive than producing in Asia, but it gives Zara an edge. Instead of waiting 6 weeks for a shipment from overseas, Zara can make small batches quickly, test them in store, and scale what works fast. This system lets Zara delay decisions until the last minute, which means they're making choices based on actual market demand, not forecasts. Here's where the magic happens. A distribution system so fast, even airlines are part of it. Every Zara product passes through the company's logistics headquarters in La Coruña, Spain. From this massive distribution center, new collections are shipped twice a week to more than 6,000 stores in over 90 countries. For hot-selling items, Zara even uses air freight, an expensive option most retailers avoid. But Zara sees speed as a form of currency. Moving bestsellers, fast drives, full-price sales, and freshness on the shelves keeps customers coming back. Now let me show you how Zara uses less inventory to make more profit. Walk into a Zara store and you'll notice something subtle. The racks aren't overstuffed. That's intentional. Zara doesn't produce large quantities of any item. Products rotate quickly, and if you miss something, it's probably gone for good. This creates urgency and loyalty. Customers return often, knowing they'll find something new. And with less overstock, Zara rarely needs to discount its inventory. Scarcity becomes part of the brand. So in the end, Zara isn't just a fashion brand, it's a masterclass in movement. While others predict, Zara pivots. While others wait, Zara watches. And while others push ads, Zara lets its supply chain do the talking. It's real genius, turning flow into fashion and speed into strategy. If you found this breakdown fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives on business strategy and innovation, and let us know in the comments, what brand do you want us to uncover next? Thanks for watching, and remember, in business, speed wins.